Number 6, which expressions are equivalent to negative 6 over 7? So we want to select all that apply. The first one, negative 12 over 14, does that work? Well, we should probably simplify the fraction first. Well, I can see that the number 2 goes into both of them. So 2 goes into 12 6 times, and the 2 goes into 14 7 times. And remember, there's that negative in front. So here we have negative 6 over 7, which is the simplified version of negative 12 over 14. So that would be equivalent. Next, we have negative 3 over 7 times negative 2. This is just a fraction times a number. So we can just multiply the top across, negative 3 times negative 2, and the bottom, which is 7 divided by, or 7 multiplied by 1. And the reason why that is because this negative 2 really has a divided by 1 on the bottom. So you multiply the top, negative 3 times negative 2, that gets us a positive 6. And the bottom, 7 times 1, gets us a 7. The number here is positive. It is not equivalent. Next, for the third one, again, we multiply it across. Notice that 3 is really 3 over 1. That negative 1 is just negative 1 over 1. Negative 2 times 3 times negative 1, that is on top. And the bottom, 7 times 1 times 1. Okay, it doesn't change anything. The top, negative 2 times 3 times negative 1 is a positive 6. And on the bottom, it is a 7. Here, it is still not equivalent because the value is a negative 6 over 7. Next, we have negative 6 over 7 times 1. Again, when you multiply by 1, the numbers doesn't really change, so it stays negative 6 over 7. That is equivalent. The last one is 7 over negative 6, which is not even close to what we're looking for. So those here are the only two that are equivalent to that expression.